Hi everyone, I'm in Aina Ludhiana today. Extremely pleased to be here with the wonderful team of doctors who take care of Aina Clinic Ludhiana. If you don't already know them, I'm going to introduce you to them. Dr. Jastinder Gill, Dr. Anupama Gupta, and Dr. Priyanka. So we are going to speak a little bit today and give you some insight into where we are with aesthetic and what clients like, what their favorite treatments are, what the doctor's favorite treatments are, and also let you know about things that you actually may not know are possible. So let me start with you, Dr. Gill. What is your favorite treatment? On the other hand, what is the treatment that clients love the most since you've now been doing aesthetics for so many years?
See, according to me, my most loved treatments are microneedling, but I would say microneedling is not really as a microneedling like most of the clients that they have heard of. They are quite surprised, okay, this is what microneedling is. So we have two types of microneedling, as you are very well aware. So one is with the help of a vacuum pressure, microchannels are created and a serum is infused. So we have different serums. For acne it's different, for pigmentation it's different, and anti-aging is different. And the other one, which is my favorite too, and for the clients also, is microneedling with radiofrequency.
No, that's popular even in all the Delhi clinics, and actually people love the results with that.
Yeah. And we start
And with the clients like it as much as you like it, like
yes, of course.
Perfect.
Whoever has taken it and they want to do it again, they come and tell me, okay, this is what gave me the results. As for tightening up the skin, as well as for acne scars, wonderful results.
So this is one of the other things. I call them clients because they are all people who are well. Patient is normally a terminology for somebody who's sick, typically. These are all healthy, good, but as doctors, we tend to sometimes call them patients, sometimes clients. So there's this overlap. But let me say they're all healthy, good guys, so they're all clients. So what do you think, which treatment do you think the clients like the most?
As for anti-aging, we have multiple.
No, one treatment, if you have to say, that the clients love the most.
See, that would be microneedling with radiofrequency.
And great results.
Absolutely.
And Anu, Dr. Anupama, what do you think is your favorite treatment and what do the clients like the most?
So as far as the clients go, I think the most loved treatments are hydrofacial and laser hair reduction. Those two rooms are never vacant. And our hydrofacial, people come from far and wide to do it. It's very different from what other clinics are doing.
Absolutely.
So even if they go elsewhere, they come back and the results are fabulous. Even laser hair reduction, as everyone knows, we have the Soprano Titanium, which is like the only one on this side of the country. And the results are fabulous.
So why do you think our hydrofacial people like so much? I always say that it's always about not the technology. Of course, we have the best technologies, no two ways about that, but it's always about the man behind the machine.
Absolutely, yeah, because you need the therapist to be very trained, you need the products to be very good, you don't need to cut any corners in terms of disposables and everything. And at Aina, you can be assured of all the quality.
The right things.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, in fact, somebody asked me the other day, what do you think makes a difference? Why is Aina Ludhiana different? I said, it's different. The Aina is different than Aina. So because there's focus on good results, good client experience, best FDA approved technology, and no cutting corners anywhere, and making sure that they have the best results with the best, trained people, doctors, therapists, everybody on board. Dr. Priyanka, your favorite treatment and what do you think is most loved by the clients?
I love the most as injectables, that will be Botox, skin boosters, and fillers. They provide the necessary and much needed harmony and balance to the face, and that gives you immediate results on the table. And
So it's very gratifying.
gratifying for
So you're
the doctor
you're-
and for the client.
You're a filler lady. And so you think that's also the favorite in your view?
Yes, I'm back
They
again.
love it.
Like we spoke about, that the skill of the doctor also
Is very
important, and the point that not overdoing is also very important.
To keep look your best self, but keep it natural and aesthetic. I think that's always been the strength of our systems, and we focus on that. So I really look forward to a lot of you coming to Aina Ludhiana. You've got the best doctors, the best nutritionists, the best team of people, the best technologies, and the most beautiful, relaxing environment. It's a totally medical luxury space to Look forward to seeing you all at Aina Ludhiana.